Mastering the meaning of lose one's footing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across in movies, books, or everyday conversations: lose one's footing. Understanding phrases like these can really help you sound more like a native speaker and enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and some examples to clarify its usage. First off, let's break down the phrase, lose one's footing, in its most literal sense. To lose something means to no longer have it, and footing refers to the position of your feet and your balance. Therefore, when someone loses their footing, it means they have slipped or stumbled because they could not maintain their balance. This can happen on slippery surfaces, uneven ground, or when someone is not paying attention to where they are walking. Interestingly, this phrase is also used in a figurative or metaphorical sense. In life, just as we strive to maintain our balance while walking, we also seek stability in our personal and professional lives. Therefore, to lose one's footing can mean to face difficulties or challenges that throw us off balance. This could be losing a job, facing a personal setback, or encountering any unexpected difficulty that makes us feel unstable or insecure. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. Literal example: he lost his footing on the icy sidewalk and fell. Figurative example: after losing her job, she felt like she had lost her footing in her career. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe both physical and emotional experiences of instability or loss of balance. Now that you know what lose one's footing means, let's talk about how you can use it in sentences. Remember, when using this phrase figuratively, it's often associated with challenges or changes that cause a sense of instability. Here are a couple of examples. The sudden economic downturn caused many small businesses to lose their footing. He lost his footing in the debate when he couldn't provide evidence for his claims. Notice how in both examples, the phrase is used to convey a sense of losing control or stability in a situation. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, lose one's footing. Whether it's used literally to describe a slip or stumble, or figuratively to express emotional or professional instability, this phrase is a great addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video helps you understand and use lose one's footing confidently in both your written and spoken English. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own sentences. See you in our next video.